Have you ever heard about the benefits of bay leaf and cloves? In today's video, you will learn how and why to make a tea of bay leaf and cloves to alleviate joint and back pains. Originally from the Mediterranean, bay leaf has been used for many years for medicinal reasons and also as a seasoning in different cuisines. Did you know that? Besides, it is rich in anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antioxidant properties, and is also a source of important vitamins for our health. All of that makes bay leaf great to help with indigestion, regulate the menstrual flow, reduce stress and anxiety, and also act as a natural anti-inflammatory thanks to a compound called eugenol. Bay leaf is used in anti-inflammatory medications and also to fight body inflammation, helping reduce joint pain. Isn't it amazing? Did you already know these benefits of bay leaf? Clove, a spice from Indonesia, is easily found in supermarkets and natural health stores, but its medicinal function has also been known for a long time. Did you know that? Cloves have anesthetic properties, being great to treat pain and discomfort. Clove can also boost the immune system and reduce pain and inflammation, helping the bones and joints, thanks to its flavonoids, manganese, and eugenol. Are you enjoying the video so far? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Learn how to make tea with bay leaves and cloves. Write down the ingredients: 2 bay leaves, dried, 3 cloves, 10 ounces water. Put the bay leaves and water in a pan and let it boil for 5 minutes. After this, turn off the heat. Add the cloves, close, and let it infuse until warm or cold. Then strain and drink. Drink this tea twice a day. Besides this tea, there are other things you can do to avoid back and joint pains, such as stretch frequently, prioritize core strengthening exercises. Strong core muscles prevent back pain. Avoid sitting for too long. Try to keep an adequate weight, as being overweight also causes pain. Don't forget to sleep on a comfortable mattress, not too soft nor too hard, since both can add to your pain. If the pain persists, seek an expert doctor to analyze your situation and identify its cause. Note: if consumed in excess, this tea may cause side effects such as drowsiness, gastrointestinal alterations, abdominal cramps, and headaches. Pregnant women must avoid medications with clove as it causes uterine contractions. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.